Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to talk to you about restrictions for rational polynomials. So if I have a polynomial like 3 over x, and I want to know what are the restrictions for x? Is x allowed to be any number? And it's not, because I know that I am not allowed to divide anything by 0, because if I do, then it's unidentified. So x is not allowed to be 0. So in this simple case, 3 over x, my restriction is that x cannot be 0. But now if I write a more complicated one, like let's say I say 4 over x plus 5. Now in this case, x actually can be 0, because if x was 0, then 0 plus 5 is 5, and that makes my denominator 5. So in this case, it's not x that I don't want to be 0, it's this entire denominator that can't equal to 0. So the way you find out the restriction is you take this denominator and you set it equal to 0, and you find out when the denominator is equal to 0, what is x? So we're going to go ahead and solve this little equation by subtracting 5 on both sides, and we get x equals -5. And this is my restriction. X cannot be -5, because if it was, -5 plus 5 is 0. I have a 0 in the denominator. It's not allowed. So same thing if I had 3 over x minus 2. I cannot have this denominator become 0. So I'm going to set it equal to 0 and ask myself, when is it 0? What is x at that point? So I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and I see that x is 2. If I plug in a 2, I get 2 minus 2 is 0. Not allowed, so that means that x cannot be 2. That's my restriction. My name is Maria, and I just showed you how to find the restrictions on rational polynomials.